That's right. It is raining outside. Ah, that's why I got a hoodie. But raining outside, and which means that it won't be much skating outside. So this is Pop from Hobo Skateboard Shop. This is Saturday. This is supposed to be your weekly skateboard fix for today, but yeah, and I did say that I was gonna try somehow, some way or the other to get a lot of some kind of skating in at least once a week, because I've been so busy and everything like that. But you know, you got days like this, so I didn't think of any contingency plans to, you know, for backup when it comes to skating outside. So I should probably handle that as soon as possible. All right, but until then, I came to Barnes and Nobles anyway, so I'm just gonna rip out the pad, look at some skate videos, and you know, read up on some Thrasher and Transworld if they got the new issues in, and then probably go hit up the gym after that. But till then, we'll see what goes up. Okay, I was in there way too long. But while I was in there, and like I said, because it's raining, and it's still raining as you can tell, I did look at some Thrasher and some Transworld, and I did see the new, well, I don't know how new it is, but I know it's new. It just recently came out this month. Was the new DGK video called Saved. And then on top of that, in this month's Transworld skateboarding magazine, they did an interview with the filmer, DGK's filmer. So if you ever get a chance, go check that out. Pick up a Transworld magazine, check out that interview with him, cause yeah, that dude do some pretty good stuff. And then on top of that, the DGK, why am I riding with no windshield wipers? Yeah, DGK's filmer did a good interview, and the saved video, you can check that out on YouTube. I'll probably put a link to it below in the description, so you can just click on it right there when it gets there. Boy, they got some new talent on their team, or some people that, you know, I guess they're bringing to the forefront now, due to the because we all know, if you didn't know already, that Rodrigo is no longer on DGK. So it's time to bring out the new bloods. All right. People that we've been having in the cut. And yeah, those boys are ripping. So anyway, go check that out if you can. I mean, if you're having a rainy day like me and ain't got shit else to do, you can't really go out and skate or anything like that, or if you didn't have a backup plan, you know, for your skating because of the rain or bad weather, I highly recommend going and checking that out. All right, so, but now I'm finna go to the gym, get a little workout in, and then I'm gone, y'all. All right, so let me get on up in here. Park the Via Hair Cal first. All right. Don't want to hurt nobody. So yeah, I'm at the gym and finna go in there and work out a little bit, just in case somebody with a Draco might want to run up on me. Okay. Woo. So it's funny to me how it has one of the slogans that they have in there is no judgment, no critics, everybody belongs, but they also got a lurker warning sign, lunker warning, lump warning sign, whatever. Basically saying that anybody that acts like a beefcake, that's not allowed. Not criticizing you, but we just saying that, you know, you shouldn't act like that. All right. You know, now that that's over, the day is done. All right. So, which basically means that I'm done here. So, yeah, sorry about the not having any skating in the video. All right, and then that crap. But this is basically a good idea of what you can do if you can't go outside and skate. All right, do something active, no matter what it is. Work out. Go look at some skate videos, and you know, learn new pros that you didn't know before. See what they're all about. Check out companies. You know, read a book, read some magazines, some skateboard magazines, whatever. But yeah, after my workout, very likely I'm gonna go ahead and sign out. Probably, you know, go catch a movie and then call it a night. So till then, thank you for subscribing, thank you for commenting, and thank you for liking. And thank you for telling a friend to tell a friend. All right, getting the word of the Hobo Skateboard Shop channel out there to everybody. And man, let's see if we can get some more of these views up. I'm trying to get to 100 by the end of February. So I want 100 subscribers by the end of February. All right. So need your help on that, guys. So until then, this is your boy Pop from Hobo Skateboard Shop saying 2 fingers.